What's up guys, and thank you for stopping by my channel. Today's project is this Honda lawnmower, and the problem is it won't start after sitting in storage this past winter. This is one of my favorite mowers, mainly because of its quadra-cut system and the way the self-propel works as it drives the rear wheels. The other great thing about this mower is the blade isn't running all the time, as it's engaged only by a clutch. However, none of these things matter if you can't get the mower started. This particular Honda engine relies on a lever-activated choke system and not an automatic one. And this is the easiest thing to check first, as it only requires removing the air filter and its cover. Next, move the throttle lever to the choke position and see if the choke flap completely closes. And as you can see, it only closes partially, and it's not enough to properly choke the carburetor and start the engine. If we look at the throttle linkage assembly, we can see how the choke lever moves as you move the throttle lever into the choke position. And in this situation, the choke lever needs to move higher for the choke to fully close. And to do that, I'm going to adjust the cable's anchor to make it move the choke lever higher when you put it into the choke position. First thing you want to do is loosen the screw that tightens the anchor to the assembly. Next, what you want to do is pull the cable to the right until the choke lever is in the desired position. Next, tighten the anchor screw very securely. Now let's try the choke out and see if it closes all the way this time. And if it works the way it's supposed to, replace the air filter and its cover. Now let's try it out and see if it starts. If for some reason the choke lever wasn't able to move any higher, I would have then looked at the carburetor to see why the choke flap wasn't closing all the way. Thanks for watching Home Garage, and if you would, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you would, please check out my other videos. Have a good one guys, and I'll see you in my next video.